Hey, what's up, guys? So there's been a lot of talk about Arizona passing a law saying that anyone who was Christian could refuse service to anyone who looked um, anti-Christian or whatever. All right, let me read an article. The link will be in the description so you can read it for yourself. This was posted by MSNBC 2 days ago. Um, Let me see. It says Arizona passes law allowing discrimination. To begin with, it says the Arizona legislator sent a bill to Governor Jan Brewer's desk Thursday that would carve a massive hole into state law allowing business owners to turn away gay and lesbian customers, employees to deny equal pay to women, or individuals to renege on contract obligations as long as they claim to be doing so in the name of religion. Um, so this really looks like this was back in the days before desegregation, like back in the 30s, 40s, 50s, maybe even 60s. Um, but really, this is quite shameful because, like, first of all, um, for those of you who are Christian, you don't like the whole gay thing, you don't think women should have the same rights as men, yada yada. Okay, fine, believe that. That's your belief. However, why should you shove your beliefs down someone's throat? I mean, you can like have a debate and be like, I believe this because of X, Y, Z, and tell your side, and then let the other person tell their side, and then if you can't agree, then you agree to disagree. But it's another thing to make or push for a law that hurts other people just because you don't like it. Um, I actually read the Bible a lot growing up. One of the Bibles I have is actually falling apart because I read it so much. And in all the years I've read the Bible, not once does it say, um, even in the Old Testament and the New Testament, no, it, from what I've read, it never says, just because the Bible says this means you get to hurt other people. And so, I mean, let's say, for all you, I'm going to flip this around on you Christians, just to put things into perspective. Like, I mean, just like so you can get a sense of how it might feel. I'm not trying to be horrible about it, so please don't take this the wrong way. Just think about it. Let's say I'm a business owner and I there's a law that passes that we have the right to reserve. We reserve the right to discriminate against religious believers. So, a Christian, like one of you Christians out there, walks into my store, whether it's a restaurant or any other type of thing, and want to buy something from me, like, anything, and I say, "Oh, you look like a Christian. I'm going to have to ask you to leave. I don't like Christians. They're horrible people." Basically, that's what this law is doing towards everybody who doesn't appear to be religious, like a gay couple or someone who is choosing to prolong, is like choosing to wait to control when she gets pregnant, or someone who had to have an abortion for whatever reason, whether it's medical or she couldn't afford the baby, or she couldn't pay for anything, or she just didn't want it. So So really, for all you Christians out there who really do not like the whole gay thing, or like don't like certain rights that women have, like when she has a baby, um, really, and I'm being genuine here, like, what gives you the right to, like, turn people away? I mean, if, like, it's just giving someone service, like, let's say a former drug addict is trying to clean up their life, trying to get their ducks in a row, and you say, oh, you did drugs, well, you can't buy anything because that'll be me enabling you, but they're actually trying to clean up their life. So, I mean, what does their personal life have anything to do with you? How is it any of your business? I mean, it's one thing if they choose to tell you, it's another to say, oh, you look a certain way, so goodbye, can't serve you. So, and on top of that, refusing people for whatever, I mean, I can understand you telling someone to get out if they're if they are causing a scene, like shouting, fighting, that kind of thing. But, but like, but turning someone away just because they look a certain way, they look gay, they look like someone who's gonna have an abortion, or basically go against your beliefs. I mean, that's gonna hurt your business. That's gonna hurt you making money. And then you've got those who are like gay allies, pro-choice. People are gonna talk. Everybody's gonna hear it, and then you're gonna end up with few to none, like few if any, people who are gonna come in. So, it's just something to think about. Like, I mean, you know, this is really frustrating. Like, I don't exactly know how to explain it. Um, I hope I did a good job. I hope I made myself clear. Sorry, I'm a little sniffly. I think I got a cold coming on. But, like, if you're gonna discriminate anything, it's between right and wrong and how you live your life. And, um, at the end of the day, if you believe something is wrong, don't do it. And then you're not going against your beliefs. And at the same time, you are being responsible for you. So, I mean, that little responsible thing, my mom taught me that. My good mom, she's always taught me, be responsible for you. So, just a side note. So, the link will be in the description so that you can read it for yourself. I just read an excerpt. It's not the entire thing, but I will have the entire thing for you for whoever wants to read it. So, have a good day, folks.